If you think you've seen all the Dollar Tree DIYs before, think again. Because this year, creators are taking things to a whole new level. I'm talking about jaw-dropping home transformations made from simple Dollar Tree finds projects so stunning you'd never believe they cost just a few dollars. These are the brand new DIYs going viral in 2025, the ones everyone's talking about on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. From designer-looking decor to functional home upgrades, these hacks are changing the game for creative homeowners everywhere. And today, I'm showing you 10 of the most brilliant, genius, and easy-to-make ones you can start right now. Welcome back to Greenhaven Homes, where style meets simplicity and where creativity doesn't have to come with a high price tag. If you're new here, join our growing community of home lovers who believe that beauty can be built on a budget. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the bell so you never miss the next round of viral DIY inspiration. Now, let's dive right into the Dollar Tree DIYs that are taking over 2025, and trust me, number 7 will completely surprise you. DIY number 1, the chic marble tray hack. This one is taking over Pinterest boards everywhere and for good reason. Imagine turning a simple Dollar Tree picture frame into a stunning high-end marble tray that looks like something straight out of a luxury home catalog. All it takes is peel and stick marble paper, a touch of gold paint for the handles, and a little creativity. Once it's done, it becomes the perfect accent piece for your coffee table, vanity, or kitchen counter, adding that subtle, elegant shine that makes any space feel expensive. What's making this hack go viral in 2025 is how versatile it is. People are using different patterns from white marble to deep granite textures, and even swapping in metallic paper for a modern twist. Some creators are adding Dollar Tree drawer pulls as handles, while others layer multiple frames for extra dimension. It's chic, quick, and costs less than $5, yet it completely transforms the vibe of your home. DIY number 2, the luxury rope basket. This clever Dollar Tree DIY has taken storage solutions to a whole new level. It starts with a simple plastic laundry basket, nothing fancy, just the kind you see stacked in every aisle. But with a few rolls of nautical rope and a glue gun, it transforms into a gorgeous, high-end basket that looks straight out of a designer home store. The 2025 twist? Creators are now dyeing the rope for a subtle ombre effect, blending shades like cream into soft beige or gray into charcoal to give it that custom, handcrafted feel. It's not just about looks though. This rope basket has gone viral because it's both stylish and practical. You can use it to store blankets in your living room, organize towels in your bathroom, or even house large indoor plants for that cozy, natural vibe. Some DIYers add small wooden legs from Dollar Tree plunger handles to elevate it off the floor, turning a $5 project into a piece that rivals boutique decor. It's simple, elegant, and totally achievable, the kind of project that reminds you just how far creativity can stretch a single dollar. DIY number 3, the hidden storage books. This one is pure genius, and it's blowing up across social media right now. Dollar Tree hardcover books are being transformed into secret storage boxes that double as stylish decor pieces. It's the kind of hack that looks like something from a luxury interior design catalog but costs less than a coffee. You simply hollow out the center of a few old books, glue their covers together, and stack them like an elegant display on your coffee table or bookshelf. Once it's done, you've got a beautiful decorative element that secretly hides remotes, chargers, or any small items you want out of sight. What's making this trend go viral in 2025 is how seamlessly it blends function and beauty. DIYers are wrapping the covers with faux leather paper, linen fabric, or even spray painting them in muted matte tones like taupe, ivory, or black for that minimalist designer touch. Some even stencil gold lettering on the spines for a personalized finish. It's smart, chic, and satisfying, the kind of Dollar Tree project that not only elevates your space but makes you feel like you've outsmarted clutter in the most stylish way possible. DIY number 4, the floating shelf makeover. This one has become a total game changer for small spaces and modern homes alike. Creators are taking simple wooden planks and metallic brackets from Dollar Tree's crafts section and transforming them into sleek floating shelves that look like they belong in a high-end apartment. What's trending in 2025 is the minimalist matte finish. People are painting the wood in soft tones like black, beige, or espresso, and pairing them with gold or black brackets for that clean, designer contrast. The result is a lightweight yet sturdy shelf that instantly elevates any wall. What makes this hack so popular right now is its versatility and impact. These DIY shelves work beautifully in bathrooms for organizing toiletries, in kitchens for displaying spices, or in living rooms to showcase plants and candles. Many creators are even stacking 2 or 3 together for that layered, Pinterest-worthy look. The best part? You can customize the size and finish to match your space perfectly. For under $10, this project gives you the kind of modern, floating aesthetic that instantly makes your home feel refreshed and professionally styled. DIY number 5, the glass jar pendant lights. This DIY has completely lit up social media literally. Dollar Tree mason jars are being transformed into stunning pendant lights that bring a warm, cozy glow to any space. All you need are a few clear jars, LED fairy lights, and some creative mounting ideas. In 2025, creators are taking it a step further, adding frosted glass spray for a soft, diffused glow, or wrapping the rims with jute rope for a rustic farmhouse feel. When the lights flicker through that glass, it creates the most magical atmosphere perfect for kitchens, patios, or cozy reading corners. The beauty of this viral trend is how easy it is to personalize. Some DIYers add colored fairy lights for a moody effect, while others mix and match jar sizes to create a tiered chandelier look. You can hang them under cabinets, group them above a dining table, or simply display one as a bedside accent piece. It's elegant, inexpensive, and incredibly rewarding, the kind of project that turns something so ordinary into a glowing masterpiece that looks straight out of a designer lighting catalog. DIY number 6, the faux stone planters. This $2025 Dollar Tree hack is turning simple plastic planters into stunning, high-end statement pieces. All you need is lightweight spackling paste, a putty knife, and a little bit of patience. DIYers are coating their planters with spackling to create a textured, stone-like finish that mimics real concrete or clay. Once it dries, a touch of dry brushing with neutral tones like sand, gray, or off-white gives it that authentic aged look. The transformation is incredible. No one would ever guess it started as a basic plastic pot from the Dollar Tree. What's driving this trend is how effortlessly it fits into every decor style, from modern minimalist homes to rustic, boho-inspired spaces. Creators are using these faux stone planters for indoor plants, dried arrangements, or even as tabletop centerpieces. Some are adding handles made from rope or wooden beads to enhance the artisan vibe. It's chic, affordable, and gives your home that designer with a touch of nature look. A simple $3 planter, a bit of creativity, and suddenly your living room feels like a curated art studio. DIY number 7, the modern mirror wall panels. This one has completely redefined Dollar Tree mirrors in 2025. What used to be a simple square wall mirror is now being turned into stunning geometric wall panels that look like something from a luxury penthouse. DIYers are buying multiple mirror squares, spray painting the edges gold, bronze, or matte black, and arranging them in eye-catching patterns from diamonds to honeycomb layouts. The result? A bright, reflective accent wall that makes any space look larger, more open, and unbelievably stylish. This viral project stands out because it's both elegant and budget-friendly. People are customizing their panels to fit entryways, hallways, and even bedroom walls, some layering them with LED strip lights for an ultra-modern glow. Others are mixing mirrored tiles with wood frames for a balanced, earthy look. Whether your goal is to add glamour or depth to your home, this DIY proves you don't need a designer budget to achieve that high-end aesthetic. It's a trend that keeps spreading because the results are simply breathtaking, polished, modern, and totally achievable with just a few Dollar Tree finds. DIY number 8, the magnetic spice rack. This genius 2025 Dollar Tree DIY is turning cluttered kitchen shelves into sleek, organized masterpieces. All it takes is a few small metal tins, a round pizza pan, and some strong magnets, all easily found at Dollar Tree. Creators are painting the pans in matte black, white, or gold, labeling the tins with minimal font stickers, and arranging them neatly on the wall. The result is a stylish, space-saving magnetic spice rack that looks like it belongs in a professional chef's kitchen. What makes this hack so popular is how customizable and practical it is. Some DIYers are mounting multiple pizza pans vertically to create a full spice wall, while others use them inside pantry doors for hidden organization. You can even repurpose this hack beyond the kitchen. Use it for sewing supplies, craft beads, or small office items. It's a perfect example of turning everyday Dollar Tree materials into something smart, functional, and beautiful. Clean, organized, and surprisingly elegant, this project proves that great design often starts with the simplest ideas. DIY number 9. The Elevated Candle Holders. This 2025 Dollar Tree hack is all about elegance on a dime. DIYers are stacking simple glass candle holders, securing them with strong adhesive, and spray painting the finished piece in luxurious tones like champagne gold, matte black, or brushed silver. The result is a tall, elegant candle stand that looks like something you'd find at a boutique home store. Whether you use it for pillar candles, LED lights, or floral arrangements, it instantly adds height, drama, and sophistication to your decor. What's making this trend go viral is how customizable and creative it can be. Some creators are mixing glass shapes for a tiered effect, others are gluing on rhinestone trims or faux pearls for a touch of glam. A few even use tinted glass spray to create that colored crystal look that's trending this year. These candle holders are perfect for dinner tables, fireplace mantles, or special events, giving your home that warm designer glow without spending more than a few dollars. It's proof that style doesn't depend on cost, only on creativity. DIY number 10. The Dollar Tree Mood Lamps. This one is pure magic, and it's been going viral all over TikTok and Instagram this year. Dollar Tree plastic bowls, LED puck lights, and frosted glass spray are coming together to create dreamy, color-changing mood lamps that look like they came straight out of a high-end home decor store. The concept is simple. Glue two bowls together to form a globe, spray it lightly with the frosted coating for that soft, diffused glow, and pop in a remote-controlled LED light. When you turn it on, the effect is breathtaking, warm, calming, and effortlessly modern. What makes this hack so loved in 2025 is how it transforms any space with such little effort. DIYers are placing these lamps on bedside tables, in cozy reading corners, and even using them as patio lighting for evening ambiance. Some creators add metallic bases made from small Dollar Tree bowls for an extra touch of sophistication. It's minimal, mesmerizing, and unbelievably affordable. A few minutes, a few dollars, and you've got a piece that changes the entire mood of your home, proof that creativity can truly outshine the price tag. Bonus DIY, the seasonal wreath redesign. This final Dollar Tree hack is all about giving classic decor a 2025 glow-up. Wreaths have always been a Dollar Tree favorite, but this year, creators are reinventing them with natural, modern touches that make them look straight out of a boutique window. The trend starts with a simple wire or foam wreath form, layered with a mix of faux greenery, eucalyptus stems, and soft neutral florals. Then comes the viral twist, adding dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and twine for that fresh, organic look everyone's loving right now. It's rustic, stylish, and smells amazing when paired with essential oil sprays. What's setting this redesign apart is how flexible it is for every season. DIYers are swapping out a few accent pieces. Think pumpkins and wheat for fall, berries and pine for winter, lavender and lemons for spring. With just a few small changes, you've got a wreath that transitions beautifully through the year. And the best part? It costs under $10 but looks completely custom-made. It's the perfect finishing touch to your door, wall, or mantle, a timeless, elegant reminder that great style doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. And there you have it, 10 brand new Dollar Tree DIYs that are taking 2025 by storm, plus a bonus project that proves creativity never goes out of style. From mood lamps to faux stone planters, every one of these hacks shows that you don't need a big budget to create something truly beautiful. Just a little imagination, a few Dollar Tree finds, and you can transform your home into a space that feels stylish, cozy, and uniquely yours. If you enjoyed these ideas, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps more creators like you find our community. Don't forget to subscribe to Greenhaven Homes for more budget-friendly DIY inspiration every single week. And if you try any of these projects, tag us or drop a comment below. I'd love to see your creations and feature them in an upcoming video. Thanks for spending time with me today. Stay creative, stay inspired, and remember, a beautiful home isn't about how much you spend, but how much love you put into it. See you in the next one.